In today's video, we are going to talk about efficiency and why it is important if you want to make the most profit mining Bitcoin. Welcome to another video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's jump straight into it. One of the best ways to increase your profits on GoMining is to improve your efficiency. As you can see right now, my efficiency is 24.78 watts per terahash. So the reason it is over 20 is because I have this miner right here. It has 5 terahashes, but the efficiency is not good. It is 35, which is very high and costs a lot more money to run than, for example, this one right here that has efficiency of 20. So in today's video, I will upgrade the efficiency on this miner, and we are going to talk about why upgrading the efficiency is very, very important. So first off, what is energy efficiency on GoMining? This is the amount of energy needed to mine 1 terahash. The lower it is, the more efficient the miner is, resulting in lower electricity costs. As you guys know, GoMining is extremely transparent and they have a live stream happening right now. Literally, it is on 24/7 where you can literally watch the different miners mining. So what we are doing is literally we are buying the power from these miners and earning some Bitcoin. While in the background, GoMining has literally a ton of miners. They maintain all of them. They pay the electricity. They get the buildings to store all of these miners. They literally do all the hard work while making it super easy for us to take advantage of the hardware using their website, which in my opinion is one of the easiest ways to mine Bitcoin. If you are new to Bitcoin mining, you will know that electricity is one of the biggest expenses when it comes to mining Bitcoin, and these miners consume a lot of power. So the less electricity your miner uses, the more money you are going to make, and the less they're going to deduct from your fees every single day. So let's quickly go over to the miner and we are going to press upgrade so I can show you how easy it is to upgrade the efficiency on your miner. So right here we are going to select efficiency, and as you can see, you have multiple options. You can get this one right here for $9.99, and it will take my efficiency from 35 to 31.65. But if you have more money, you can take it from 35 to 24.92, or you can take it all the way down to 15, which is literally the most efficient that they offer on this website, and that is $99.99. But if you look under each of these, you will see the ROI. As of right now, the best ROI is on the $9.95. The ROI is 67.21%, which is pretty good in my opinion. So you can also customize your upgrade, which is pretty cool. You can bring it all the way down to 15 and it will show you everything right here, the annual ROI and the total amount of money. Also right here, they're going to show you how much you're spending on fees every single day to keep the miner running. This one right here is costing me 19 cents worth of Bitcoin every day. But if I upgrade it to, let's say, 15, then my new one will be only 8 cents. So I will literally cut my fees in half when it comes to mining, and I will make a lot more money, which is pretty good in my opinion. All right, let's quickly go back. So once we select the package that we want, we are going to press next. I will be paying with crypto as well, so we are going to scroll down and I will use the tokens that I already have in my account, and that is an instant transaction. So we are going to press next. That will cost me 23.76 tokens, which is $9.99. Before I pay, I quickly want to show you a promo code that you can use in order to save some money on your upgrades. So that is the code on the screen. I also have it in the description box below. Make sure to check it out, save some extra money. Also, if you are new to Bitcoin mining and you want to get started, check out GoMining. The link will be in the description box below. Before I press pay, I'm going to show you the #1 reason why you need to upgrade your miners, and that is the Bitcoin difficulty. As you guys know, every 4 years there's a Bitcoin halving, but every single year the difficulty gets higher and higher. As you can see this chart, over the last 3 years, Bitcoin difficulty has been steadily increasing, meaning it is getting more and more difficult to mine Bitcoin. One of the reasons why it is getting difficult to mine Bitcoin is because a lot of people are mining it. More and more big institutions are buying warehouses full of miners. The miners are constantly being upgraded. They're literally becoming more and more and more powerful, and they are using a ton of electricity. So the more people start mining, the more powerful the miners get, the difficulty will continue to trend up for who knows how long. So improving your efficiency will help you in the long term. The more efficient your miner, the better. And now let's get back to the upgrade. So we are going to press pay and we are going to confirm. And in about a couple of seconds, it will go through and our efficiency will be improved. And now you can see that my efficiency is slightly better. And when we go down to the miner, you will see my new efficiency number is 31.65. I will continue to upgrade this number until I get the efficiency to around 20. That is the sweet spot in my opinion. So that is my goal for this miner. Upgrading your efficiency is very important. For example, this is a hypothetical, but let's say Bitcoin price goes from $100,000 to $50,000. Miners that have very bad efficiency, they're going to mine less. Sometimes the fees to keep that miner running will be more than the miner produces. That is why I highly recommend you get your miners to around 20 and possibly even 15. The lower the electricity amount the miner uses, the better it is. You don't want to have a miner like this one right here where the efficiency is 35 and that Bitcoin drops down to $50,000. Next thing you know, your miner is not making anything. So definitely look into upgrading the efficiency on your miners. So once I get all my miners to around 20 efficiency, I will continue to upgrade the power even more and hopefully get to my goal of mining $10 a day worth of Bitcoin. That is the goal. That is the plan. Hopefully this year we'll be able to achieve it. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. If you have any questions regarding GoMining or you want to give it a go, make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Use that promo code, save some money on your upgrades and on your miner purchases. And let me know in the comments, what is your efficiency currently? That is all I have for the video. Subscribe, like, see you in the next one. Peace out.